So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga nabili namin. Mga ano lang naman. We will unbox this Janome sewing machine. Hello Peps! Welcome back again to my channel. So, today is Wednesday. So, kahapon galing ako kila Eds. So, pumunta ako doon, tinuruan ko siya sa, sa laptop niya. And then, we did workout. Just a simple workout. And then, sinundo ako kahapon ni Mark doon. And dumiretso kami sa Costco. So, may nabili kami sa Costco, pero hindi ko na napakita kagabi. Kasi, pagod na ako eh. Sakit ng ulo ko kagabi. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga nabili namin. Mga ano lang naman to, importanteng stuff na kailangan namin talaga. Gaya nito, may shampoo and conditioner. Malalaki talaga. Ang lalaki ng mga ano doon. Nakaka-amaze. Mga pang 2 buwan na konsumo na to. So, meron na ako nito. Isa-isa yung kinuha ko, shampoo, tsaka yung conditioner. And then ito, Stick O. Tagal ko nang naghahanap ng Stick O. Pero hindi Stick O yung pangalan dito Ayan. Chocolate siya. Sabi ni Mark, kumakain ka niyan. Sabi ko, ang sarap kaya niyan. So, ayan, nakakita ko kahapon. So, kinuha ko siya. Kumuha lang naman ako ng isa. And then, ito, fabric softener. Ayan. Malalaki talaga yung mga binibenta dun. Kasi parang ano yun eh. Pwede yun sa mga nagninegosyo talaga. So, ito, ano to? Liquid detergent. And then, ito, crispy noodle and nut mix. Gusto ko kasi ito. Ang laki niya. And then ito, onion. Mura lang talaga siya. Kasi pag dito sa, sa city, yung isa ang mahal na eh. So, ano to, 2 kilogram, I think, nasa $450. Ganang kalat. And then, bumili ako ng KitKat ko. Mahilig ako sa KitKat, pero minsan lang naman. Hindi araw-araw talaga. Minsan lang. So, bumili ako ng 2. So, kailangan kong itago to kasi baka ubusin ni Mark kasi mahilig siya sa chocolate. Kaka-vacuum ko lang. And then ito, bumili kami wipes. Meron naman na kami, pero bumili lang kami pang extra. Kasi hindi namin alam kung kailan ulit kami makakabalik sa Costco. Siguro mga after a few months pa. And then sponge, bumili ako. Ano siya, 21 yung laman niya. Nakalimutan ko na kung magkano to. Yung ginagamit ko kasi yung non-scratch na sponge. And then ito, ano nga tawag dito? Cotton swabs. Sabi ni Mark, ano yan? Pang 5 years na stock natin. Sabi ko, hindi ka naman makakabili ng isang pack. Kailangan talaga ito. Maramihan kasi dapat eh. And then, para sa aming dishwasher, meron pa naman kaming natira sa binili namin nung nakaraan, nung sumama kami sa anak niya. Pero, sabi ko, bili na lang natin. Bili tayo ng isa kasi hindi nga namin alam kung kailan kami babalik doon. And then, ito, pang dishwasher cleaner. And then, ito. Nung pumunta kami sa Mile Ends, bibili sana kami ng ganito. Yan. Kaso lang, Ang mahal dun sa Mile End. Siguro, ito nasa $120. Pero kahapon nakuha siya namin ng $49. So, kinuha namin. Ayan. Ano to? Chopping board. Pero meron siyang apat na ano. Meron siyang pang vegetables, yung green, fish, itong blue, and this one, white, I think for cooked food. And then, this one for meat. Diba? Ang ganda niya. So, ayan. Binili namin. And then, ito binili ko para sa anak ko. Kasi mahilig siya sa drawing. So, binilan ko na naman siya. Lagi talaga akong bumibili ng mga ganito. Ayan. Matutuwa yun pag nakita niya to. And then, meron pala akong binili na, wait lang. Ito, sewing machine. Ang tagal ko nang naghahanap ng ganito. So, nakita siya namin kahapon. Nagdadalawang isip pa nga ako kung bibilin ko siya o hindi. Kasi dito, pag magpapa-repair ka ng kahit ano, ang mahal. So, sabi ko, sige na nga, bilhin ko na nga lang. Ayan. Kasi sa probinsya namin dati, si mama meron siyang sewing machine. Pero yung yung pinapadyakan mo, yung paa. Pero ito talaga, ewan ko kung electric ba to. I think electric to eh. Tawag dito is computerized sewing machine. Ang ganda niya kasi ang dami niyang magagawa. So, ayan. Mamaya ko na siya buksan. So, yun lang naman ang pinamili namin dun sa Costco. Konti lang naman yung binili namin. Hindi naman talaga kami nagsastock ng marami dito sa bahay. Kasi syempre, apartment. Wala naman kaming, malaking area. So, yun lang. Tapos, bumili lang kami ng spare ribs kahapon. Yun lang yung binili namin. So, ayusin ko lang muna to, Peps, and babalikan ko kayo. Hello, Peps. Magluluto tayo ng dinner. So, ang dinner namin is pork spare ribs or ribs. We got this from Costco yesterday. And then, I'm just gonna boil some vegetables. Really? Mark is having fun before. Because I'm not feeling well. I feel like I have a fever. But I'm not so hot. But I'm having a sore throat. And I feel dizzy and my headache is so bad. Yeah. So he's having fun with me. That maybe I have a, you know what I mean. I don't want to say it. But yeah. Anyway. I-grill na natin ang ribs. So I marinated it this morning. Malapit lang malutong ating ribs. Smells so good. Yan lang muna natin yun. So, this is our dinner.
Looking good, isn't it? I'm a lucky boy.
Yeah.
I'm a lucky boy. Yeah.
Kain tayo.
What's that?
Ako.
You're the cook. You need all the free. I don't want it. I'm not that hungry tonight. But this is fantastic.
You're joking again. You can get some here.
A bit later.
See? That's true.
That's my polite way of saying give some me some.
How was it?
Beautiful. Wow. Oh, that was high, wasn't it? That was a high pitch.
That is ridiculous.
Yeah. What do you think is the most favourite meat in the Philippines, like pork, chicken, or fish?
Pork.
Pork.
Why?
No. I asked a question. Divine.
Really? What do you think with the marinating?
No, it's not. Really a bit of onion and garlic or...
Why? Wine vinegar? Soda water?
Really? I noticed my soda water's down today and I thought, you don't normally eat it, drink it. No.
Unboxing. We will unbox this Janome sewing machine. I'm excited to see this one. So I'm just gonna open this. So this is the manual, instruction book, and the inside. I think I need Mark to help me with this one. Love? Love? He's busy, so I will do it by myself. So this one, I think it's for your foot to step on it when you do sewing. So this is it. It's a bit heavy. is the sewing machine. And it has some stuff here. I think this is the needles, cleaning stuff. And then the cord. And that's it. So let me see. I used to use a manual one. I never use a electric sewing machine. So let's see the instructions. Let's turn on this sewing machine. Okay. Wow. The 00 is like that, and the 1 is. So it has lots of different. I don't know what you call it. But yes. So let's try this sewing machine, peps, and we'll see what's gonna happen. So I'm just gonna try it here because this is the pants that I cut before and I haven't fixed it yet. So I'm just gonna try this here. Be interesting. Oh my. See, I always go at the back because I used to that manual sewing machine in my mom's place. So let's see this one. Wow. Yeah, not bad. So it works. This is only just a test. I will show it to Mark.
What's it like?
Okay, so I will show you. Let's do it again.
What are you trying to do?
No, I'm just.
You're just playing.
I used to go at the back because my mom's machine.
I have seen you on your mum's machine, I think, haven't I? Yeah.
Yeah.
That is weird. What's it like?
It's good.
You enjoy it?
Yeah, I like it. Wow.
So what are you trying to just fix up with it?
Nothing, I'm just showing it to you. I can't find a sample cloth.
Get we'll get one of my t-shirts if you want to play. Do you want a t-shirt to play with?
That's good.
Yeah, I'll get you a t-shirt.
Right? So I've done Pep, so this is the mask. But what's this called?
Oh my god, really?
This is a sample. It's not that beautiful because I didn't really make it beautiful.
That's amazing. I'm very impressed.
So I can make it. We just need to buy a proper
material,
fabric and some threads. Okay, so I will close this vlog, peps, and yes, I'm so happy I got this little baby sewing machine. I have been wanting to have this for a long time and now I got it. So yes. And yeah, So I hope you enjoyed this vlog, peps, and hope to see you on my next one. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just hit the subscribe button and the bell button so you will be notified every time I post a new video. And see you on my next one, peps. Enjoy life and stay safe. Bye, peps. Mwah.